Welcome to our video on the Law Commission of India, an essential institution driving legal reform and modernization in the country. Now you might be thinking, the Law Commission? Sounds about as thrilling as watching paint dry in a library. But hold on to your monocles, folks, because this is actually far more interesting than it sounds. Think of them as India's legal mechanics, constantly tinkering under the hood to make sure the engine of justice runs smoothly. First up, the Law Commission acts as a sort of legal archaeologist, carefully dusting off old laws and seeing if they still hold up. We're talking about laws passed decades ago, back when bell-bottoms were considered fashionable and the internet was just a twinkle in Al Gore's eye. The world has changed a bit since then, wouldn't you say? And so have people's needs and expectations. So, the Commission dives deep into these dusty legal tomes, analyzing each provision, each clause, with the meticulousness of a forensic accountant auditing a Bollywood film's budget. They ask the tough questions. Is this law still relevant? Does it align with India's constitution and international human rights standards? Or is it about as useful as a screen door on a submarine? If a law is found to be outdated, impractical, or just plain unjust, the Commission suggests amendments. Think of it like a legal tune-up, making sure the engine is running smoothly and efficiently. They're not rewriting the entire legal code, just making those crucial adjustments to keep things running as they should. But the Law Commission doesn't just stop at reviewing existing laws. Oh no, they're not content with simply being legal mechanics. They're also architects, drafting blueprints for a more just and equitable society. They propose entirely new laws and reforms, tackling emerging issues that the old legal framework might not have even considered. Take, for instance, the rapid advancements in technology. We've gone from clunky computers the size of refrigerators to smartphones that can recognize your face and order groceries with a voice command. That's a lot of uncharted legal territory. The Law Commission steps in to propose legislation on things like data protection, cybersecurity, and online commerce, ensuring that the law can keep pace with the digital revolution. And it's not just about technology. The Commission also tackles pressing social issues. From protecting the rights of marginalized communities to addressing environmental concerns, they're constantly working to create a legal system that reflects the needs and values of modern India. They're like the legal equivalent of a tailor, constantly adjusting the fit of the law to ensure everyone is treated fairly and equally. Now you might be wondering, how do they decide what to focus on? Do they just throw darts at a board full of legal issues? Well, not quite. The Law Commission has a secret weapon research. They're like the legal world's version of Sherlock Holmes, meticulously gathering evidence and analyzing data to understand complex legal challenges. They delve into academic studies, consult with experts, and most importantly, listen to the experiences of everyday people. Because let's face it, the law doesn't exist in a vacuum. It affects real people's lives in profound ways. So, the Commission makes sure to incorporate the voices and perspectives of those who are most impacted by the legal system. The culmination of all this research is a series of reports, published for the government, legal experts, and the general public to consume. These reports are like legal dissertations, packed with data, analysis, and recommendations for reform. Think of them as meticulously researched instruction manuals for building a better legal system. And while they might not be quite as gripping as the latest Bollywood blockbuster, they have the potential to make a real difference in people's lives. In summary, the Law Commission of India plays a crucial role in shaping and refining the nation's legal landscape. Its work is fundamental to upholding justice and adapting to the ever-changing world. They're the legal mechanics, architects, and researchers all rolled into one, working tirelessly to ensure that India's legal system is fair, efficient, and responsive to the needs of its people. So the next time you hear about the Law Commission, don't just gloss over it. Take a moment to appreciate the vital role they play in upholding the rule of law and building a more just and equitable society. Thanks for watching our video. If you found this informative, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into important institutions like the Law Commission of India.